Welcome to the mesmerizing world of Luxor Hotel and Casino, an iconic landmark on the Las Vegas Strip. Join me as we embark on a captivating walking tour through the heart of this legendary resort, delving into its rich history, extravagant ambience, and unparalleled allure. Nestled within the gleaming facade of a striking black pyramid, Luxor Casino stands as a testament to the grandeur and opulence of ancient Egypt. From the moment you step foot inside, you'll be transported to a realm where modern luxury meets timeless mystique. As we wander through the labyrinthine corridors of the casino floor, adorned with ornate hieroglyphic motifs and majestic sphinx statues, we'll uncover the origins of this legendary establishment. Inspired by the majestic wonders of the Nile, Luxor Casino first opened its doors in 1993, quickly earning a reputation as one of the most distinctive destinations in Las Vegas. But what sets Luxor apart from the myriad of casinos lining the Strip? It's not just about the thrilling array of slot machines and gaming tables that beckon to visitors from every corner. It's the immersive experience, the seamless fusion of entertainment, dining, and hospitality that makes Luxor a must-visit destination for travelers and thrill-seekers alike. Whether you're drawn to the exhilarating energy of the casino floor, the dazzling spectacles of world-class entertainment, or the tantalizing flavors of its gourmet restaurants, Luxor offers something for every discerning guest. Join me as we uncover the secrets and splendor of Luxor Hotel and Casino, where the allure of ancient Egypt meets the excitement of modern-day Las Vegas. Get ready for an unforgettable journey through one of the Strip's most iconic landmarks.
I know you are.
She's saying this like
Thank you for allowing me to be your guide on this unforgettable journey. Until we meet again, may your travels be filled with wonder and discovery. And remember, the allure of Luxor Hotel and Casino awaits, ready to welcome you back for another exhilarating adventure. Safe travels. and may fortune smile upon you always.